So it can seem like quite a daunting thing, I understand that, but I suppose it's all about doing it in stages and just trying to build up a knowledge. The BBC is pretty good. Whether it's BBC Bite-Size, BBC iPlayer, and just go and watch some nature documentaries. I feel like that's the best thing to do because you don't even got to do anything. Sit and stare. And that's a really good way to slowly build up your knowledge and then sort of develop into reading books, things like that. And also, just opening your eyes is the best thing and just seeing everything that's around you and noticing things. That's what I kind of try and do in the sense of I don't have to read a ton of books. It's just going out, staring at a tree and just sitting and being patient. Like the other day I was walking through some woods near me and there was this tree that's got a really, really comfortable nook that's like perfect for sitting on. I just sat there and within about 5 minutes I'd seen a nuthatch, long-tailed tit, woodpecker, tree creeper, and I could hear all these sounds around me and bird songs that I couldn't recognise. And it was just so beautiful. And then I could hear this tapping on this oak tree that I was sitting on. And there was a dead branch on it. There was a nuthatch sitting on it, pecking at it. And it didn't see me. And I just stared at it. And it was just so cool. I was sitting in this tree with a nuthatch, just doing its thing. And it was just so special. And it's that connection with nature which will eventually lead you to become more passionate about it and care about it more and just think about it on a daily basis. Don't try and think of it as work, as a job. Try and think of it as just as your passion and as what you want to do. And it will eventually just lead to that.